Hey guys, welcome back to Funky's Garage. I'd like to give a big shout out to Jeremiah Burden and Zach Joe for creating Big Time, which is a brand new channel they're creating. They're going to be their own bosses, their own schedule, their own content, their own creators, and it's going to be their own dream. So huge shout out for them. They've been one of my favorite hosts at Donut for the last 4 or 5 years. They've been there, and every time I watch them, they're my favorite guys to watch. Besides everyone else, them two have been my favorite ones to watch, and just huge shout out to them. Go follow them on Twitter and Instagram, and go subscribe to their new channel, Big Time. And it's gonna be an amazing journey for them too, and I hope to follow in their footsteps as well. They're gonna be my new inspirations to follow as well, and it's gonna be fun. So hopefully they have the best, greatest channel ever, and I hope that I get to meet them one day. Who knows, maybe in 2 or 3 years when I have 1,000 subscribers or something. So stay awesome guys, stay warm, stay cool. I might say it's 98 degrees. Stay cool and have fun. And again, congrats to Zach and Jeremiah for creating this new channel, Big Time. I'll link their channel down below and any of the links. And I hope if they release merch, I'm definitely gonna be first in line to buy a sweater, a shirt, even stickers, so I can put it slap it on my car. And yeah, congrats guys. Go subscribe to them. See ya.